Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Uber app. You click on settings. Then in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.